So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair, and she decides to switch things up with a wolf cut style. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have this gorgeous hair color change. Loving the face framing highlights and the dimension with that one. And then we see someone who has long wavy hair. Stylish chops off the hair. And bam, beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. I love the way that her curly wavy texture looks within the cut. Very nice. Kind of gives you like a nice 80s vibe. Very cool style. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with mid-length hair, and she decided to get a wolf cut and red dip dyed ends. Very cute style idea. So here we have another wolf cut inspired style. Oh, wow. Oh, that came out amazing. I love the pop of purple. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with long hair, about mid-back length or so, and she decided to get a shoulder length cut. Very nice. And then we have our last transformation, which is going to feature a color refresh and change into this pink bob style. Kind of gives you like sherbet neon vibes. Very cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.